really nice one. What's up guys, it's Hunter here. Today we're back here at Waits Lake trying to get some redemption. I put some trailer hooks on my flies today. We're gonna go with 2 different flies because last time they kept just getting the tails and it wasn't really working out. We caught 2 but had like maybe 20 so bites. So I'll show you guys the setup and enjoy the video. Now this is the trailer that I was telling you guys about. I put a treble hook, maybe about, an inch below the main hook. Because the last time they kept biting the tail, that was about right here. So I'm hoping if I wrap this up and get it on the tail, when they hack the tail this time, the treble hook won't let them off easy. My friend Hunter helped me out with the tying system. So let's see what happens. Hopefully get a lot more hooked fish instead of just hits this time. Stay tuned. That's what I'm rolling with here. I put the treble hook inside the tail so it still has a little bit of action when it's cruising. But when they get the tail, they're going to have a surprise with the treble hook there, and hopefully won't get away with just the tail. Get this out here and get going. It's going to be a windy day. Only a couple hour fishing trip, so let's get it. Official first cast. Probably gonna get wet today. Let's hope we get onto some fish at least. Yeah, we're kind of capped over. Let the line go out. Okay, that should be good. Then we cruise. Fish on already. Wow, I just tried to cut the clip. Already got a fish on. See if he got the tail. Oh, he's biting now. Oh yeah, nice. Might be a nicer one. Oh, I think it is a nicer one. He's under the boat. Oh, that was fast, right away. Yep, look at that, right on the tail. Remember to rag for this adventure. That was fast, I blew it. My bad about the GoPro, I was just cutting the intro. And this guy decided to bite right away. But look at that, right on the trail I just set up. If I didn't have that, wouldn't have caught him. Guaranteed. First fish of the day, and it's a rainbow. First one in the boat. Now it's time to get it back out there. The tail already worked. Put the same thing on. Put the treble at the tail. That way when they grab the tail, you get it again. Worked for the first one. Alright, let's get it back out there. You gotta go. The wind is just turning everything. That should be good enough. Alright. I'll let a little more line out here. Maybe get it a little deeper. There we go. Let's see what happens now. Pretty windy day out here. Getting kind of wet. Couple boats out today. Pretty peaceful, it's just really windy, which sucks. Hope we get onto something. We're gonna give this Muddler minnow a try here. It's a lot bigger fly, So I'm hoping maybe we'll grab their attention more. The other one wasn't getting hits like it was yesterday. So let's see. Well, here's what I did on the bigger fly. Again, did the tail with the treble in it. Basically, it's a bigger version of what I did last time. Well, after trolling for about an hour now, the boat traffic really picked up and the wind started picking up even more. So I'm going to switch gears here, throw on the bass Senko and the bobber and worm here, and maybe catch a couple perch as well. I heard the perch in here are pretty good size, so we have a couple more hours before Hunter has to go back to work. There's some ducks behind me. Enjoy the rest of the video. Here with the bobber. Let's get it out there in some tall weeds. Hope we can get a sizable perch. Plans here. It was kind of slow there at Waits Lake, so now we're here at Jump Off Joe. Gonna give it a try. Hunter's gonna still go for some bass. I think I'm gonna go for trout. I heard there's some pretty nice browns in here as well, so I'm gonna give it a go. Same setup here at Jump Off. We have the tail with the treble hook in it and the fly here. Pretty calm. I guess we'll see what's gonna happen. Just trolled all the way across Jump Off here. I don't know if Hunter's made it onto the water yet, but I'm gonna give bass fishing a try. Last couple times out have just been mainly trout. We just had a local say that the bass were getting slayed out of here like 2 weeks ago, so I'm gonna give it a shot. This lake's kind of shallower, so it should be pretty fun. Should get some action here. So I'm probably gonna finish this video off with some bass fishing. Hope you enjoy. This hook, smoke with black flake, like I usually does pretty well. Official first cast. Casting on the jump. Let's get in there a little bit. There we go. Oh wow, nice one. Really nice. Really nice one. Woo! Let's go. I was not expecting him to bite that. Must have been spawning down there. It's gonna be funny. We had a $5 bet on fish and he ain't catching nothing. Huh? Yeah. Just 1 second. Yeah. All right. 2.7 ounces.
Well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, comment down below, made it. If you're new to the channel, I make a lot of hunting videos, fishing videos, and would really appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe. It's been really fun seeing all the support and the views on these videos. As I'm making this outro here, I'm actually getting ready to go float the little Spokane on my kayak and go fishing for some trout with my dad. So that'll be a blast. Expect that video soon. It'll probably be up sometime next week. Well, thank you for watching the video, and until next time, peace.